Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your services. The purpose of the services is where you can set up and enable services that will transport information electronically for you on the system. These services include SMS, emailing, invoicing, switching of claims, payments, and dial. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Click on the Entity Setup tab. Take note that entity setup is set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. Click on the Services panel to expand it. You can tick the box next to each service if you want to activate or deactivate the service that you want to use or not use. SMS will enable the functionality for SMS. Email will enable the functionality for emailing. Invoicing will enable the functionality for creating invoices. Switching will enable the functionality for medical aid switching and information. Payments will enable the functionality for payments. Dial will enable the functionality for VoIP calling. Under the Actions column are the test buttons to test if the SMS and email service is working after activating it. Simply click on the Services Test button to start testing it. An attention pop-up will appear where you need to enter a valid cell phone number if you selected SMS test or a valid email address if you selected emailing test. Click on the OK button once the cell phone number or email address has been entered. A test services pop-up will appear, which will track the status of the SMS or email. Wait for the tracking to complete. The status will show you where the tracking is at. For example, timeout, busy, or done. Click on the OK button once the tracking is completed. For the SMS test, the following SMS message will display on the mobile device. The test is completed and the service is working 100%. For the email test, the following email message will display. This is a test email for your GoodX Web. This email will either appear in your inbox or spam folders. Click on the Save button to save your changes.